Hello students, today we discuss about design of ball bearing. The purpose of ball bearing is to reduce the rotational friction and support radial and axial load. Radial load is perpendicular to the shaft and axial load is parallel to the shaft. Nomenclature of ball bearing. The outer surface is outer ring, inner surface is inner ring. In between the two surfaces is a separator, and the separator has balls. These are the types of ball bearings: deep groove ball bearing, angular contact ball bearing, thrust ball bearing, and self-aligning ball bearing. Next problem: select a suitable ball bearing for a drilling machine. Spindle of diameter 40 mm, rotating at 3000 rpm. It is subjected to a radial load of 2000 Newton and axial thrust of 1000 Newton. It is to work for 45 hours a week for a year. Given data: the diameter equal to 40, then N rpm 3000 rpm, then F for radial load 2000 Newton. I converted into in terms of kgf divided by 9.81. Same thing, axial thrust equal to 1000 and divided by 9.81. Then working life 45 hours a week for the year. Solution: taken deep groove ball bearing from data book, PS data book 4.14. Our diameter is 40. I am chosen here 40 BC 03 K SKF 6308. 40. Note the static and dynamic fluid. Note on the C naught and C. 2200 kg of C equal to 3200 kg of. Selected here and noted. Then FA by C naught ratio equal to 0.046. From page number 4.4, you have to choose the FA by FR is less than E or greater than E. For us, first we find the value of FA by C naught. We already find the FA by C naught 0.046. So the E equal to 0.24. For the ratio of FA by FR equal to 0.5. So FA by FR is greater than E. So I am taking from PH data book 4.4, X equal to 0.56 and Y equal to 1.8. Next, service factor from PH data book 4.4. They are available the service factor for bearing carrying geared shaft. Here in this problem they didn't mention the what type of machines they using. So I am assuming some value here taken from this table. Service factor S equal to 1.4. Next, load P equal to X FR plus Y FA into S. We know the value of X and Y. Previously we find previous step, and then FR and FA they given in given. Yes, the service factor 1.3. Substitute this value and get the P value. P value equal to 386.96 kgf. Next, working life. Working life 45 hours per week for a year. Per year 52 weeks. So 45 into 52, 2340 hours. From the graph, PS data book 4.6. Take 3000 RPM and 2340 hours. The hours in y-axis, RPM in x-axis. And compare this, you get the loading ratio C by P. equal to 7.81. Substitute the value of P and get the value of C. C equal to 3018.2 kgf. Is this value is lesser than we taken the dynamic load in data book. In data book it has a 3200, so it has been lesser than dynamic load. So the design is safe. The selected SKF 6308 is suitable deep groove ball bearing.